Hi guys, let's see what this wireless electric bottle brush can do for us. So in the box it's called X2 or times 2, and I think it's the model, but it's basically called wireless electric bottle brush. Even in Amazon where we bought it. Actually, my husband bought it for me because he knows that I'm, you know, any gadget that would make our lives easier is a good buy, basically. But it comes with a bottle brush, a nipple brush, a hanging pendant. I guess this is the brush stand, and a hose brush. So let's try the nipple brush first. Oh yes, I feel like it's cleaning it very well. It even reaches the very edge, which is hard to do with a manual brush. And I can even do this outside of the nipple. FYI, I already washed these brushes prior to using them, so let's try it out with the larger bottle first. Even the curves in the bottle are well reached. Also, I feel like it cleans the inside of the bottle better than the manual brush. This is smoother and faster cleaning than the manual bottle brush. However, it does not reach the end of the bottle, so that's so sad. Let's try something here. I've tried to do the manual brush, which is not working well too because it's not cleaning the very edge of the bottom of the bottle. So I'm inserting a Scotch-Brite here to fully reach the bottom. Yep, it works. It cleans the bottom part, and I feel it cleans it well than the manual one. Let's try it with a 4-ounce bottle. Yes, it reaches the bottom. So before cleaning the bottles, a tip that I can give you, or you probably have been doing this already, is that I disassemble the bottles and wash them per part. So I'll wash the nipples first, then the bottles, or vice versa. It also cleans the breast milk bottle. This is the Motif bottle. I'm just washing the outside part of the mouth of the bottle with Scotch-Brite. This Dr. Brown's bottles are very, very helpful for colic babies, gassy and burpy babies, like our baby. I recommend Dr. Brown bottles to any mom. Anyway, look how easy it is to clean them. It even cleans well with the Hakka breast pump, which is really cool. Also great to use for Dr. Brown's parts, like this reservoir tubes. Is it worth it to purchase one? I say yes, go for it. I just wish the bottle was retractable to where it can reach the bottom part of the bottle. Nevertheless, it's a better buy than using a manual bottle cleaner. If you like this video, or if you want to recommend a product that will be helpful for parents with babies, hit subscribe and leave in the comments below. Till next time guys, thank you for watching.